Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. Thanks for joining me today. Today I've got quite a fun challenge that I'm doing. It's for Positively Papercraft, and it's I don't know if it's the monthly or the weekly challenge, but anyway, Ann Melvin, who runs Positively Papercraft, she set us a task to make a card, any card we wanted, and using anything we wanted to make it. And the only thing was that we had to get all our components together, and then we had to blindfold ourselves while we build the card. So I thought I'd give it a go. I'm not that good at making cards when I can see what I'm doing, so it's going to be quite interesting. So what I've done, and you will see me doing this in another video because I'm also making a card which uses something new. We'll just have a look at my list of projects that I've got to do. Yeah, so I'm also doing something that uses a new product for Joy Sets Challenge. So I'm going to use the same stamp set. So although you won't see me stamping in this video, you will see me stamping using this set in a video that's coming up later today. So I've started off with a Whisper white base. I've got a little bit of ink, excess ink on it, but never mind. And this measures 4 by 5. So obviously it's 10 scored down the middle. I've not scored it. I'm going to score it as part of the assembling it. And then I got a piece of Whisper white, another piece of Whisper white, and I used this gorgeous Happy Tales suite, which is the stamp set and a punch. The punch punches out the dog and the heart, and there you've got the dog, and you've got the like the little spots that I've used, or the bigger splodges where you just got the patch on the nose, the chest, and the back. There's a little paw print which I wanted for ages, a collar, hearts, a bone, and some lovely little sentiments and a little kennel. So I've used the paw print, and I've used lovely lipstick to print that out, stamp that out onto a piece of Whisper white. And my Whisper white piece measures 3 5/8 by 4 3/4. So that's going to go on there theoretically. And then on top of that, I'm going to put a piece of lovely lipstick which measures 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. So that's going to go on next. And then on top of that, I'm putting a piece of Whisper white which measures 2 7/8 by 4. So that's going to go on there. And then I'm going to have my sentiments. I've got a little piece of lovely lipstick which measures 2 1/8 by 1 5/8. That's going to go there. And then I've stamped, using lovely lipstick, I've stamped the A Best Friend Leaves a Paw Print on Your Heart onto a piece of Whisper white which measures 2 by 1 1/2. And that's going to go on there. And then I've made a dog. I've printed it in early espresso, and I've done a lovely lipstick little collar on it, and then I've punched it out. That's going to go there, and then the tiny little heart is going to go there. So we'll see how I do. Now I'm not sure what other people have done. I've not seen anyone do it yet, but I think I'm going to add some dimensionals. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to add those before I start assembling it or not. I'm not going to. So I'm going to get my bone folder. I'm going to get some Tombow and my dimensionals, so they're handy because I'm not going to be able to see. So they're going to be there. And then I'm going to have my card. I'm going to lay it out so I can get my bits together. So I'm going to have my card there, then that layer, then that layer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble this layer first. So I'm going to put my dog, I'm going to put them like that, my dog and my heart. Yeah, I'm going to try and put these onto there. No, I'm not. I'm going to put these onto there first. That's what I'm going to do. I'll switch them around. So I'm going to put that one there, that there, that there, that there, and that there. And I'm going to do it like that. Okay. So I'll have to have in my mind's eye what I'm doing. Now, I'm just going to let my son stand by so that he can confirm that I can't see what I'm doing. And we'll see how we get on. Right, you'll have to excuse my son, he's full of cold. I'm just going to explain to him what I need him to do. I'm going to put the blindfold on, right? I want you to just stand here next to me, and I'm going to make this card. So this piece is going to go on there, that piece is going to go on there, these are going to go on there, and that's going to go on there. Okay?
Yep.
And I've got to glue it, and I've got to use the stickers and everything. So I'm going to take my glasses off, which means I won't be able to see anything anyway. Can you just tie this around the back of my head?
Yeah. Nice and tight.
I really can't see. Do you want to check that you can't see? I can't see a thing. I can't see a thing. And I don't even know where I am anymore. This is going to be... I can't even remember where I put my bits.
I'm not helping you.
Oh no, I can't even remember where I put them. Ouch! Right, now this is my card. I must be really careful that I don't... That's my bone folder. So I'm going to just... Am I on the edge? Am I on the edge of my card? I just want to...
I'm not allowed to help you.
I want to burnish the fold. I should have done that. Right. Now, I can't remember what I've got here. I think I've got that layer, and that's... Oh, I can feel the difference. That's... Right, now I need some glue. So I'm going to get this and stick it onto here, first of all. So, right, so let me, there's the ends of that. So, is there any glue coming out? I can feel to the edge of it.
Am I allowed to tell you?
Yeah.
There's no glue coming out.
Oh, is it coming out now?
Yeah. That would have been funny if you'd have put it all together, picked it up. Not just put it apart.
Have I got... I've probably covered it in glue, I don't know.
I'm not helping you anymore.
Right, so that's that. And that's my next piece. Oh no, I've got to keep it up. No, it's not really directional, is it? Gosh, this is going to be hard, this. This is so weird. I'm supposed to believe... Oh, hang on a minute. I don't think that's right, is it? I don't know what the hell's going on. Is that my wrong side? It could have been such a nice card. I think that's it. I think I've done that. Now I'm going to stick this onto here. So I've got to find my edges. Have I got glue around the edges? I think I'm up to the edge. Oh, I thought I'd do well at this. I don't even know if I've got any glue on it. No, I haven't. Now I don't know if I've put it down the back. Oh, I want to take the blindfold if it's doing my head in. I don't know if I'm... Have I got glue coming out? I don't know. I think I've got glue. Is that the long end or the short end? That's the short end, I think. I think that's right. Oh, now for this bit. I can't even remember what I was doing. Right, now I'm assuming that's that. So that's going to go on there. I've got glue all over my hands. And I'll stick that into there. You're not sabotaging, are you?
No.
I sat here in a blindfold. He's probably emptying the bank. Right, so I'm going to put some dimensionals onto that. Gosh, it's handy having things. Just stick that onto there. Oh, now I don't know which ones. I think that's it. Oh, and how am I supposed to know which way up to put it? I think that's about right. Then the dog should be up here somewhere. Have I got it? Is that the heart? Is that the dog? Right, that's the dog. Now I've lost the heart, and I just heard it drop. So the dog. Using dimensionals. I think I'm doing all right with this.
You're not doing too bad.
So the dog go there. And then the heart, I've just totally lost. I've lost my heart. Are you helping me? What's on the table? Is that a puppy? You put puppies on the table. Oh, let me have a little snug. Where are they? I can't feel. Oh, puppy. Oh, I can smell puppy. Don't let them fall off.
Just froze.
Oh no, now I'm totally confused because I got totally sidetracked. You took her back?
Yeah.
Because I can't see. I knew we'd do something to sabotage things. Now I've got to find out which is the top. That's the dog, so that's... Is that the flap on my card? Right, so that needs to go sort of halfway across there. What are you laughing at? And then the heart. Now I've got to find the heart. Now I should be able to find it because there's nothing else. There shouldn't be any... Oh, I think I got it. Did I get it then? There shouldn't be anything else on my pad, so I should be able to find it. Is it falling off? Is it down here somewhere? Is that it? I can't find it. I'm going to have to abandon the heart because I've lost it. I can't find it. Right then, I'm going to take my blindfold off and see what I've got. Oh, I can't see. I've gone blind. My glasses aren't working. Oh, that's not too bad. Where's the heart? Oh, it's down here. That's not that bad.
It's better than I thought it'd be, but it's
not that bad. I'm going to send that to Ann now. just to teach her a lesson. Oh, and there's my little heart, look, down here. So I'm going to pop that on. I can see what I'm doing now, though, but I'm just going to stick it on anyway. I can see what I'm doing. I've still put it in the wrong place. Oh, wow, that was fun, that. Now I'll have to see it back because I didn't know what happened. I don't know when he brought a puppy in, or where he put it, or anything. I wondered what he was doing. I thought, is he putting something really embarrassing on the desk? Because I knew he was putting something on the desk. That's not bad. It's not too bad. Do you want to have a quick look at it? That was real fun, that. Actually, I think if I was to just trim that piece off there, it would be fine. There we go. That was great fun. Seriously, go and join in on Positive Papercraft. I'll leave a link below. It's not that bad. I'm going to send this to Anne. I'm going to write in it now and make an envelope for it. There we go. I'm going to send that to her. That's great. What a great challenge. You've got to try that. Right, take care, and I'll see you soon where I can see. And actually, the ones I make where I can see aren't much better. Take care.